Jai Hind student, welcome to biology class. Now students, today we will discuss about the fertilizers. Okay, last class mein we have discussed about manure. Okay, now let's see about the fertilizer. What are fertilizers? Fertilizers, they are the commercially produced nutrients. Okay, these are the nutrients which are synthesized in the industry or in the laboratory, and they are used for the to provide nutrition to the plants. Now they supply nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Now you must have seen many types of fertilizers in the market like urea, NPK. So these fertilizers, they are nutrient specific. That means कि हर तरह का fertilizer हर तरह का nutrient नहीं supply करेगा. Okay, particular fertilizer will supply a particular type of nutrients. So there are various types of fertilizers like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. They are used to ensure good vegetative growth and giving rise to healthy plants. So the same thing as we have discussed about manure, but the difference is that कि manure जो है they are eco friendly और वो organic substance से बनते हैं, means they are not harmful to the soil, to the plant. But fertilizers, they are synthesized commercially and they are also used to provide nutrients only, but there are some drawbacks also, some disadvantages also, which we are going to discuss. Now fertilizers जो हैं they are an important factor in the high yielding of high cost farming. Means कि they are very costly. Means fertilizers, if a farmer is using fertilizer, then obviously the cost of the product will be increased. Okay, because fertilizers जो हैं they are commercially prepared, so they are costly also as compared to manure. Now let's discuss about the features of fertilizers. What are the characteristics of fertilizers? They provide important nutrients, for example nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus. They help in the proper growth of the plant, and they are responsible for high yield, no doubt. They increase the production and with high cost farming methods. Okay, and the cost is also increased. Now let's see about the precautions. What precautions should be taken while using fertilizers? Fertilizers तो हैं they should be applied in a proper amount. Okay, so because as an excess of fertilizer is not good for the plant, because excess amount may cause harm to the plant. Proper precaution regarding the time of applying fertilizers should be taken. Now this is very important factor. There is a definite time for using fertilizers, because when plants are 10 to 15 सेंटीमीटर जब टॉल हो जाते हैं, then only fertilizers are used. Okay, manures जो है we can use before sowing the seed, we can use after. Means in regular intervals manure can be used, but fertilizers, they are not used. They are used at a particular time only. Excess use of fertilizers can lead to water pollution, as an extra fertilizer get washed away during irrigation. Yes, no doubt fertilizers, they cause water pollution also, because when excessive amount of fertilizer is used, then what happen during irrigation, that is washed away and it goes to the water bodies and it pollute the aquatic environment of the water, or aquatic environment of pond, sea, river, wherever that is drained away. So excess use of fertilizers can also destroy the fertility of the soil as well. So these are the few precautions, or you can say disadvantages, that is related to the fertilizers. Now let's discuss about the differences, as we have already discussed about both fertilizer and manure. Now let's see differences. Manures जो हैं they provide humus to the soil, they are eco friendly. Fertilizers, they do not provide humus to the soil. Manures are less rich in nutrients, nutrients are not found in abundance, but fertilizers, they are highly rich in nutrients. Long term usage of manure lead to increment in the fertility of the soil. Obviously they are eco friendly, they increase the fertility of the soil, they do not cause damage to the environment, to the soil, to the plant. But fertilizers, if they are used for a long term or in excessive amount, they may decrease the soil fertility, they may harm the plant also, because the chemicals, they are inoculated in the food, in the crop also. Okay, so these are the few differences. Now I hope the fertilizers and manures both are clear to you. Now next we will take up, we will study about the irrigation. Thank you everybody.